Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Number one, all the viewers, especially the Ahmadiyya community, why they are not stating their position. I'm asking you from the beginning that anyone who claims or believes that Muhammad ﷺ has two comings and Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is the fulfillment of that second coming, Na'udhu billah min zalik, are you agreeing or disagreeing? They're not telling us. And also the fatwas on what Adnan Rashid Bhai has said. Now, Ahmadiyya community, they are telling you in their congregation, Ahmadiyya is based on the Quran. Did he quote Quran now? Shah Waliullah Sahib said this Shaykh said this Shaykh. We have given a clear fatwa. Let me go again. What I have stated in my first turn as the position of Ahmadiyya movement, if anyone has this position, he's a kafir, mal'oon and zindiq. You give fatwa as well. Why you not giving the fatwa now? Everybody can see why you cannot give fatwa. Because you know. Listen everyone. It says here, Khuda ke daftar mein, it says in the sight of Allah, Masih Ma'ud and Muhammad Sallam are they don't have any duality. They don't have any duality. Now next point. Everyone pay attention. It says एक ही शान, एक ही मर्तबा, एक ही मनसब, एक ही नाम रखते हैं. गोया दूसरे लफ्जों में बावजूद दो होने के एक ही हैं. It says here that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani and Muhammad Sallam, both of them have same ruhani station, एक ही शान. They both have the same mansab, the same function, and they both have the same name. Look at the ending. It says apparently they are two, but in reality they are one. Anyone who says this, believes in this, is a kafir, mal'oon and zindiq. You give fatwa as well. Wow. Next point, very important point now. Ahmadis, please pay attention. Why is he not quoting Quran to prove his case? Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani Sahib said, it is a condition that second coming of the Prophet has to be in India. Quote Quran now. Either quote Quran or say that this is a disbelief. That second coming has to be the India. Quote Quran now for me. I want to see the Quran today now. Okay. Next point. Very important point. Okay. He said that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Shagird hai. Subhanallah. Everyone listen very carefully. This is called the absurd nature of Ahmadiyya. In terms of the spiritual reality. Not physical, pay attention, in terms of the physical reality, in terms of the spiritual reality, Ruhani hakikat ke e'tabar se, is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Ghulam and student or is he Muhammad Rasulullah? It can't be both. Like the Christians, they say that Isa alayhi salam, na'uzubillah, is both deity and he is a human being as well. This is the case of Ahmadiyya.
He's the son of God and he is God at the same time. Is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani Ghulam Ahmad or Muhammad or Ahmad himself?